Hey guys, what's going on? Ben here, and we got a big box to unbox today. We've got a big, huge box from Samsung, and I'm hoping here that what's inside the box isn't nearly as bad as the outside of the box, because man, it looks bad. Look at that. It's all torn up. Looks like it's been thrown down 20 flights of stairs. Look at that. It's crazy, right? Well, let's hope that what's inside isn't damaged. Okay. I've been wanting one of these forever. Ever since it came out. Okay. Just a second here. Let me put the little knife away. And we got our packaging stuff. Lots of packaging paper. Whoa, what a small box. Look at that. The Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. And we went seriously ultra with it this year. We got 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. Just because I needed it to do videos. And I got it in beige, of course, because I wanted to see if it'll match my... Oh yeah, you don't need a knife anymore. You just I gotta lift these little tabs here. And tear like so. Oh man. That wasn't supposed to happen. My thumb is all screwed up. So I'm trying. Oh man, that did not work. Oh shit. Let me see, let me pay attention to what I'm doing here. I don't want to cut the box because I keep my boxes. God, that was a pain in the butt. See if this one will work. Yep, this one's working fine. That's the way it's supposed to go. Okay, let's see if it'll open. It still didn't work out. Damn it. Okay, there it goes. Ooh. Can't wait to see what this thing looks like. What's the deal here? Yeah, just take it apart from this end. So. And then you slide it out like this. Wow. Dang, that's pretty. Wow, that's cool. Very cool. Wow, look at that. Oh man, is that pretty or what? Look at that thing. That is beautiful. Okay. Then we got our S Pen. Goes in the back like this. Wow. This thing is awesome. I really like it. Well, there's lots of videos to come, guys. Let's see, what's this? This is books and stuff, I think. Let me put this down so I don't drop it. This is going to be books and stuff, I think. Oh no, this is a charging cable. Big long cable. And then this is the books and stuff. And there's the SIM tool. And that's it. That's all there is to the unboxing of the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. Oh, and I wanted to take this opportunity to tell you guys that the Z Fold 6, when it releases, it will not be releasing with an Ultra. There is no such thing as a Z Fold 6 Ultra. I know everybody's telling you that there's a Z Fold 6 Ultra. Don't buy it, guys. And the only thing there is the Z Fold 6, the regular Z Fold 6, and the Z Fold 6 FE. The fan edition is coming this year, but that's it. There's no Ultra because Ross Young, if you guys have followed him at all or seen or heard about him, and if you follow the leaks, you've heard about him. So he said that there's an S Pen, or there's a Z Fold 6 with S Pen support and a Z Fold 6 without S Pen support, which means that when you use your Z Fold 6, the screen. Where's my S Pen? Get my S Pen. That the Z Fold 6 has S Pen input, so you can move around the S Pen, use the S Pen on it. And the Z Fold 6 FE has no S Pen support. So that's why I'm telling you guys that there is no Ultra. But I would like to be wrong, but I'm not. I don't think I am. But just in case, just to let you guys know what's going on. I wanted to get in on the leak game too, Later, guys.